YouTube incognito mode. Good way to get a little bit of information. You check out your own channel now and then. Just check out videos. What kind of commercial advertisements run on your channel, if any? Truck driver, Schneider jobs. Oh my God, I might need a job. Let's hit this. Well, no. Apply now. We need this. We need to apply now. Look at that. A truck driver job on a truck driving video, because that video was me truck driving. Let's check this out. So you scroll all the way to the bottom. How can I make money off of Schneider without actually working for them? Good question. Wait, get some content. Nomadic hippie.
Nomadic hippie.
Okay.
Add contact to your channel, Nomadic hippie.
So lots of people don't know this. They think, wow, my channel is so small. How can I make money with such a small channel? I have a small channel. A lot of us have small channels, but you can make money not just using Google AdSense and Amazon affiliate links, which those are two great ways. It's just you make a little bit of money. You don't make very much. But if you have multiple sources of affiliate programs, it's the green. That's what we're all trying to get, right? So we can live full-time nomadically in our RVs, campers, trailers, whatever, trucks. I think I got the secret. So this video, it's going to be short, sweet, with just a little bit of ideas and thoughts from my head. So let's say you want to make a large chunk of your revenue from YouTube, but you think you can't because you have such a small channel. What I just did, just right there, just clicking on one of my ads, and now you can't do this if you're in regular YouTube. It's best to go to incognito mode. Run one of your commercials. Let it run through and see if it's something that you might want. Now, if you have different commercials that run throughout your stream, there might be another commercial with another affiliate link. Best thing to do is click that, scroll all the way to the bottom of whatever page it takes you to. Look for things like affiliate. Now, it doesn't have to be just this affiliate link. Just this one video is about finding those affiliate programs. I'm going to do another video later on other ways to communicate with these companies to possibly get sponsorships and stuff like that. But at the moment, this video is just strictly grabbing those affiliate links and becoming affiliate partners and putting those inside your descriptions. It's a good way to at least start generating revenue. Okay, so like I just seen one of my videos and it had one of those fresh food home delivery things, right? I scrolled to the bottom of it and I seen, ooh, they have an affiliate program. You get $15 for every time somebody buys something. That you get cookies, you know, not edible cookies, but cookies that could be implanted into the video for up to 7 days, which means people are going to continue seeing that affiliate link periodically for the next 7 days when they click on it. Sounds like a pain in the butt for whoever's getting that, right? But it just puts that thought in their head. Hey, you know what? That fresh food, I remember seeing that before. And automatically your computer, your phone, or whatever is going to pull that up at least for 7 days, which, you know, could be good for sales. But affiliate links are a great way to make money. Most people always do the Amazon, but they never think about clicking the videos that run on their commercials. Go into that website, scroll into the bottom and looking to see if they have an affiliate links. It could be something amazing like IdleCam, though I am affiliate with IdleCam now, but I didn't sign up for it until after Jason sent me this camera. But after I got that, and I said, wow, this camera's pretty decent. Why not go ahead and join the affiliate program? It's free. I can make a little bit of money here and there. It doesn't cost people any more. That was my thought. And money slowly starts to trickle in from this affiliate, from that affiliate, and from this affiliate. It could be enough to fill up your fuel tank one day. It could be enough to help you pay for your cell phone bill. It could be enough for you to help pay your auto insurance. You know, the more affiliates you have, you know, obviously talk about your affiliate a little bit in your video. Don't over promote, but just say, check the description below for some affiliate links you might be interested in. You never know. It could be a nice way to generate a little bit of extra revenue. Until the next time, guys, thanks for checking me out. If you like these type of videos, let me know. Do you want content to show you how you can generate some revenue from having a small channel? Because I have other ways. I have another way, and I'll talk about that on the next one. But if you liked it, remember to leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. Until the next time, I love you guys. Peace out, everybody. Oh, P.S. Watch whatever commercial runs on this video. Click it. They could be your next affiliate.